Nagpasalamat ang mga fans or ang 18 South sa pagbabahagi nga ng Lifestyle Inquirer. Sa kanilang caption, sinabi nilang big thanks to lifestyleinquirer.net for these feature articles like this matter in preserving accurate narratives and documenting milestone that deserve to be seen beyond noise and misinformation. What makes SB19 different is how every era feels bigger than just music. Wakas at Simula wasn't simply a concert finale. It felt like witnessing years or hard work, growth, and history unfold live. Their sold-out finale at SMDC Festival grounds drew unofficial crowd estimates of up to 100,000, if accurate. This positioned them as the P-pop group that has successfully sold out both major indoor and outdoor concert venues in the country. From sold-out crowds to international guests and a production scale rarely seen in P-pop, this is exactly why SB19 continues to raise the standard for Filipino artists. Mula naman sa One Music page, for making their own template in P-pop music, they'll get to be the first all-Filipino homegrown group to bring original Filipino music OPM to the Lollapalooza. Samantala, dahil Mother's Day ngayon, paano nga ba bumati ang SB19 ng Mother's Day? Narito po ang nakakatawang video ni Justine kung saan ay kayang-kaya nga daw ng mga maming bumirit. Narito po ang kanyang naging sample. Sa pagbati, Happy Mother's Day to all 18 moms mula rin to sa naging post ng SB19X18 official community. How to greet Mother's Day in Justin way. Narito po ang nakakatuwang bunso ng SB19, walang iba kundi si Justin. Paano nga ba niya binati ang mga mommies sa Mother's Day? Narito na po at ating pakinggan.
Sabi ko sa'yo, umuwi ka na maaga. Bakit di ka pa umuwi na maaga?
Pwede, kaya.
Lagi na lang pinapagalit ka na. Hindi ka lang babawasan ko na eh. Bakon mo!
Kaya nila.
Ang kulit talaga ng bunso ng grupo. Well, happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there at sa mga mommy ng mga talented na mga banu na ito. Yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now. Please like, share, and subscribe.